Yung sugal. Okay. So here is the price. This is the receipt. Of course, I got it for free because I won their giveaway contest. So I picked the lime one or the Yasuni Notebook, and it says here that it's a thread-bound notebook with Yasuni debossing. It's a dotted one, and its size is A5, and which means that it's 16 by 21.5 centimeter, 100 GSM coated acrylic. So let's start. This is actually their new collection. This is how it looks like. It has this Yasuni print over here, and then it also has this garter to hold the notebook, and it also has this pen holder, and at the back it just says here Dingbats. When you open it, ooh, so pretty. It has this information about the Yasuni National Park, and by the way guys, this notebook is biodegradable and it is eco-friendly, so I really like it. And going back, as I've said, it has this Yasuni National Park information right here, and then some animals, leaves, and then in this page you can write your name in here. This Dingbats Notebook belongs to if found, please return me. And then it says here Dingbats Spirit Collection, and here some info on how to use this notebook as a bullet journal notebook. So it says here create your key, color your tabs, mark your pages, and it also has some information here on how to create your key for your bullet journal. And then in this page, the tab key, and the color key, the dingbat key, and then the index is like a table of content. You can write what page, and then like for example page 1, something like that. Here another index, and future log. This page is for future log. As you can see, it's written there. It's also written there. And it also has some page number 1, 2, and many more. Future log, and then just the blank pages right here. It says like Dingbats Notebooks with personality. So it says here that they have like only 2 collections, which is first the wildlife collection and the second one is the earth collection, which is the new collection. It comes with 3, the Yasuni, Serengeti, and Great Barrier Reef. It also has some pockets where you can put some ID or papers or anything you want to put. It also has a bookmark here, which comes in 2 different colors, the black one and the yellow one. So that's it guys, I hope you like this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, I would like to thank Dingbats Notebook for sending me this, and also to those people who helped me in winning their giveaway contest. Thank you so much and have a great day everyone.